The message saying access key battery low in your Subaru means just one thing: the battery in the key fob is about to die. The car can still communicate with the chip in the fob, but when the battery goes completely flat, you will not be able to use the keyless entry and engine start button easily. First of all, a lot of Subaru owners are worried about why they can see this warning once every 1 or 2 years. The secret is that keyless entry cars have special fobs that basically try to communicate with the system of your vehicle at all times. This means that the chip in the fob will be draining the battery even if the fob is a mile away from the car. That's why the second fob will also have a dead battery after about 3 years, even though it's not used at all. The Subaru fobs have the CR2032 battery, and you can buy it in any store or even in a supermarket. Also, replacing this battery is a simple DIY job, so no need to pay to anyone to do this. First, take out the metal key by pressing the small button on the back part of the fob, then insert the metal key into the opening that you now see and twist it. It's a bad idea to use a flat screwdriver like a lot of YouTubers recommend, because you may damage the plastic this way. Also, be careful. Subaru key fobs have several tiny parts that may be falling out of the fob when you open it, so make sure you don't lose anything. Then insert a new battery and assemble the fob. You will be good to go for another year or two.